If someone were to ask you what is statistics, how would you respond? Without any knowledge in the topic, you might say, oh, that math class with mean, median, mode, right? Well, you weren't wrong, but it's way more than that. In fact, a simple Google search will reveal that the definition of statistics is, and I quote, the practice or science of collecting and analyzing numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of inferring proportions in a whole from those in a representative sample. So what does that mean? Well, let's break down the process. So each one of these bags contains 300 or so puzzle pieces. Let's do U2, U2, and then U2 will be a group, okay? Alright, so these represent our populations. If I had information on every single person's favorite color, for example, then I would be able to tell you, oh, 15% people prefer blue, 12% prefer green. I would be able to give you exact measurements. But as you can probably tell, it's really difficult to get measurements on every single person. So instead, in statistics, we take samples. So that's what we're going to do today. Everyone's group, so you're going to open it up and take out 20 pieces randomly. Alright, so now that you have your 20 pieces, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to put it together and try and come up with what you think this picture is.
White, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them are white, the rest are black or gray. And
So we have a boat and water.
What do you think your puzzle is?
Lake and trees around it.
Awesome. Danny?
I think that ours is a boat in some water.
Alright, girls?
We think it's some sort of animal outside.
Awesome. Alright, so as you can tell, it's kind of hard to tell what it is with only 20 pieces. So why don't you go ahead and pick out 40 pieces and we'll do the same thing again. Oh, there's a lot more white there now.
Yeah, we are. Oh, that might be the sky. The white would be like clouds.
Alright, Jeffrey, what does your picture?
Snowy
like?
trees with a bluebird.
Snowy trees with a bluebird? Alright, why do you think there's a bluebird?
We think it's a bluebird because out of 3 of our puzzle pieces, we have blue, and right here we have a little wing thing going on.
Alright, so out of 70 pieces, you only have 3. That makes you think you have a bird?
Yes.
Alright, next group. What do you think?
I think ours is a city with vegetation surrounding it.
Alrighty, that's pretty good. And girls? Kirsten?
We think that it's a cat.
A cat. Awesome. What makes you think it's a cat?
These pieces look like fur with whiskers.
Alright, and that looks like you have a lot of pieces that look like that. Alright, so who wants to see what their pictures actually look like? Alright, please tell me the number of your bags. 6.
9,
6.
11.
9.
It's a bluebird with snowy trees.
Let's look at it yet.
Alright, so Jeffy's group. It is a bluebird with snowy trees. Very lucky. Alright, girls, we got 2 cats in an outdoor location, so very accurate. It's hot air balloons.
Wow.
City!
With vegetation surrounding
No,
it.
it's hot air balloons.
But
I
there's a city
don't
background.
understand why you guys got that, except for the fact that that's a biased sample.
Yes.
Yes, I put
Very-
absolutely no pieces of the hot air balloon in there. So you were completely unable to get the main idea of the picture. So, what did we learn today? When your sample is representative of the population, your estimates are very, very accurate. However, if you get a biased sample and sample in a way where you don't get a good idea of the population, you will never be accurate. So in statistics, you always run the risk of making bad assumptions if your samples do not represent the population.